In today's digital age, social media is a powerful tool for marketing real estate in Ontario. It has revolutionized the way we advertise and sell properties. The potential reach of social media is unrivaled, offering a platform to connect with an audience far and wide. Here's how to harness its power effectively. Firstly, you must understand the importance of showcasing your home's beauty through stunning, high-quality photos and videos. It's crucial to invest in professional photography that captures the essence and unique features of your property. This visual appeal can captivate potential buyers, drawing them in and encouraging them to explore further. Consider the value of using local hashtags and geo-tagging your location. This strategy is a smart way to target those interested specifically in Ontario properties. By making your content discoverable to the right audience, you will likely attract more potential buyers. Building a connection with audience is just as important as catching their attention. This can be achieved by actively engaging with them. Respond to comments and messages in a timely and professional manner. This shows interested parties that you are attentive and invested in their experience. Consider hosting live Q&A sessions. Providing a platform for potential buyers to ask questions and voice their concerns can help to build trust. It also provides an opportunity to highlight the unique selling points of your property. This interaction can spark interest and make your property stand out in a competitive market. Use targeted advertising on popular like Facebook and Instagram. These sites allow you to reach specific demographics that are interested in Ontario real estate, thereby increasing the chances of your property getting noticed. Also, it's beneficial to join and engage in local real estate groups on Facebook or LinkedIn. This will get your property in front of a community of like-minded individuals who are interested in Ontario real estate. Participating in these groups can also provide valuable insights and useful feedback. One final point to remember: consistency is key. Regularly updating your social media with engaging content can keep your audience interested. It's all about creating a buzz and maintaining momentum. By putting in consistent effort, you can make your property the talk of the town. Let's make your home the next big hit on the Ontario real estate market.